Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
If you are a regular, you must be aware, Bache. How many notices have we done? I don't know whether you were attending the class that time or not. Tell me, notice writing we were doing. No idea. Let me ask others. Yes. Tell me, those who are regular, what notice have we done? Anybody?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. I'm asking, we did notice writing, right? How many of you were there when we did writing notices? Don't tell me
We
that
have
not
done
all.
4 notice.
Okay. Thank God there's somebody who's regular. Yes, beta, which is the first one we did? Notice for?
This is for meeting,
Yes, Anand.
notice
Very
for
good.
events,
Excellent.
notice for lost item, and notice for found item.
Very good. That's what I was asking. Those who are present, those who are regular know about it. Those who are not will not know about it. Very good, Anand. Excellent. Good morning, children. Okay, let's have this. He's already told you. The first one we did was notice for meeting. There are 6 type of notices in our syllabus. 7 type if I make notice for found and lost separately. Your friend has already told you we have done notice for events also. We have done notice for lost and notice for found. Till here we have done. Now we are going to move on for this. Notice type 4, notice for seminar, debate or any other literary event. We are going to write a notice for a seminar, debate, any other event. Who is going to organize, who can attend, what is the subject, what will be the duration, who is the speaker, date, time, and any specific instructions, contact
Good morning,
us.
ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Let's see this now. Let me
morning,
explain
ma'am.
it to you. Good morning, children. Please be regular. You are Vikram, school captain of Meerut Public School, Shastri Market, Varanasi. Write a notice informing the students of class 12th about a guest lecture by Mr. Rajiv. He's an environmentalist on the topic conservation of water. Okay. So we are talking about a guest lecture. We are going to write a notice regarding what beta? Guest lecture. So we'll write the name of the school here. What is wrong in this? Something is written wrong here. Tell me what. Hmm? There is something wrong in this line. Tell me what it is.
You don't have to write the Shastri.
Very good. You don't have to write that Shastri Market thing. Only the name of the school, comma, the name of the city. Sufficient. If you go back and see other notices, let me show it to you. See, Vanasthali Public School, comma, Ludhiana. Victoria Public Senior Secondary School, comma, Hyderabad. See this, Swami Vivekanand Public School, comma, Delhi. So there is one thing you should have understood by now, that when we write the name of the school, only the name of the school, address details have not to be given, and we need to put a comma and then the name of the city. Is it okay for everybody? This part is okay. How to write the name of the school? The notice is correct. This date is correct. Subject of the notice heading is correct. Guest lecture by environmentalist here. See how they have started. All the students of class 12 are informed that there will be a guest lecture. Okay. On so and so by renowned environmentalist Mr. Rajiv on the coming Saturday, that is 3rd November, in the school auditorium from 10:30 to 11:30. Attendance of class 12 students is compulsory. For more information, contact the undersigned. Now let us see if we have answers to all these questions. Tell me, who's organizing it? The body organizing it? Tell me who is organizing it?
Ma'am, Meerut Public School.
Very good. Meerut Public School. Who can attend? I keep answering these questions. Who can attend?
Class 12.
All the students of class 12.
Yes. Subject of the topic that we have, whatever is it? What is the subject?
Guest lecture by environmentalist.
Oh no. What is the subject? The topic.
No, sorry, conservation of water. Conservation of water.
Yes. Very good. It is conservation of water.
Conservation of water.
What is the duration of the program? How long is it?
10:30 to
10:30 a.m. to
11:30
11:30
a.m.
a.m.
So that means it is 1 hour only. Who is the speaker here?
Bikram, the school
Mr.
captain.
No, who is the speaker for this
Ma'am,
program?
Rajiv.
Mr.
Yes.
Rajiv.
Rajiv.
Rajiv. Date?
Yeah.
What is the date?
Date, 3rd November.
3rd November.
Any specific instructions?
Ma'am,
That
attendance
attendance of class 12
Attendance is
students is compulsory.
compulsory.
Very,
Students.
very, very good. Who is the contact person?
Vikram.
Vikram.
What is his designation?
Ma'am, school
School
captain.
School captain.
Yes. So these, if we are answering all these questions, that means our notice is written perfectly. We have put all the desired information. And Rita, it should not be more than 50 words. Not more than 50 words. So remember the name of the school, comma, the name of the city. So there are certain changes that we need to do. We'll write later. Let me take one more with you, then we'll write. Notice for appeal or warning. What do you mean by appeal?
Appeal is a request or something.
A request which we do for a large number of people. That is appeal. Like if I request you something, that is not appeal. If I request something to the entire school, then that becomes an appeal. Atul is in your 11th which section, Atul Yadav? Beta, Atul Yadav is in which section of class 11th? Is he in PCM? Children, do you have any Atul Yadav in PCM? Beta, yes or no? Students, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm asking the PCM
Yes,
students. Is there any Atul Yadav in your class? Yes or no? Nobody knows. Okay. PCB, there is no Atul Yadav, I'm very sure. What about commerce? Commerce, do we have any Atul Yadav? Commerce section, is there any student from the commerce section? Anyways,
Don't know because he.
this child is trying to join for the last 1 hour. Even in the break, before the break, there was a meeting. This child was trying to come. I was wondering who is this Atul Yadav? Never come across this word. Okay, whom to appeal? A slogan or a message. This is optional. A courteous way to appeal. Any punishment if required. In case it's a warning. For appeal, we do not give punishments. Who is the issuing authority? Important instructions, name and designation of the person. Again, we'll discuss the answers. Recently, it was in news that a hurricane hit USA and around 13 states were affected. Being the head girl of your school, draft a notice for the students and staff appealing for donations of relief products like clothes, money, books, and other articles in not more than 50 words. Just go through the notice. I'll discuss with you. We'll just go through the notice. That's it. Read it once.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, last time we did type 1 and type 2 notice. But ma'am, from today we started type 4
We
notice.
have
So
done
I guess type
till
3.
lost and found. We have done till lost and found, Peter. I just
Ma'am, we have
confirmed
not
from
done
other students
left
of
and
your
lost.
class. We've done lost and found just now. One your friends told me.
Yes.
There was a
Ma'am, we have
arrangement.
not done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
In
ma'am, we have
commerce
not
section,
done.
there was a arrangement in that class you want us to do that?
Ma'am, we
Okay,
did, ma'am, that one, Swami Vivekanand Public School one. So,
okay, never mind, never mind. I'll discuss with you again. Maybe the other section said. But how is it possible? You always have a combined class. Then how come one section is done, the other is not done?
No, ma'am, you
Anyways.
take that. You two.
Chalo, I'll start from the first one again when we'll write. No issues. Let's do
okay,
this
ma'am.
one. Don't worry, I'll do it with you right now. Just read appeal because I've started this. Let me not leave it in the middle.
I'm done.
Okay, read quickly, children, then we'll discuss the answers.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, let's discuss. Whom are we appealing? Whom do you think this notice is written for appealing or requesting?
Ma'am, to the staff and the students of Vijay Public School.
Very good. Fine. Next. Who is the issuing authority? Issuing authority.
Vijay Public School.
Ma'am, Vijay Public School,
Vijay
Vijayanagar.
Public School.
And who is signing the notice?
Akansha, the head girl.
Akansha, the head girl.
Akansha.
She is not the authority to do this notice, issuing authority. She's just the signing person. Any instructions which you read?
Uh,
Instructions, basically the details and all. What instructions, what all can be donated?
Ma'am,
clothes, books,
Clothes,
articles like
articles.
blanket, blazer, quilt, etc.
Okay. What is the name of the person? Here we have an authority, is this only. Let me ask like this. So what is the name of the signing authority?
Akansha.
Akansha.
What is her designation?
Ma'am, head
Head
girl.
girl.
Head
Head.
girl.
So today I'll just discuss all with you and then slowly we'll start writing. Let me discuss this also with you. This is, then I'll go back again to the second, third if you've not done. This is the most complicating name, notice for change of name, residence, company, etc. This is little typical beta. Whom to inform about the change? And the most important is this, existing and change. Supposing you're changing your name from Rahul to Narendra, then you have to mention both the names, the existing name that is Rahul and the changed name that is Narendra. Whatever you are present and whatever. Supposing I change my address from Mahanagar to Civil Lines, then I will not only write Civil Lines, I will say that I have shifted my office or house from Mahanagar to Civil Lines. That means the existing one and the new one, both have to be mentioned. Let's read this, Rajat Enterprises. This is to inform all that we have changed our office address from 2A Fullback Colony to 334/3 Mangal Pandey Nagar. All are requested to contact us at our new address. Our phone number remains unchanged. Rajat Sharma, the owner. Okay, whom are you informing about the change?
Ma'am, Rajat Enterprise.
Rajat Enterprises.
Whom are we informing? Whom? Not who. Whom? Discuss. To whom we are informing about the change?
Ma'am, I guess everyone in the the
Yes.
colony.
Yes, beta. We are informing everyone. We are putting it in the newspaper. Whoever reads, everyone. Okay, what is the reason for change? It is not mentioned why they are changing the address. What is the existing address? Existing address.
Fullback Colony.
2A full back colony.
Okay, and what is the changed address?
334/3 Mangal Pandey Nagar.
Mangal Pandey Nagar.
Good, good, Zeba. Now be a part of it. Very good. And then that's it. This is there. So this is change of notice. Let me go back. See, one type each you need to write. Notice for meeting, you said you've done Swami Vivekanand Public School. This is a notice for event. It could be any celebration, competition, anything. Just read the notice, then answer my questions. Those who have
Ma'am,
already
this
done
type 2
Ma'am,
we
this
have done.
we have-
Type
Acha.
3 we haven't done.
no, lost and found you have not done.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this. This is a very typical kind of a thing. I'll tell you the difference between lost and found. Just read the last one. This is lost or found?
Lost.
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 Ma'am, done with reading.
Okay. Can we
Done.
discuss one thing? Those who've done this notice maybe will be able to answer. What is the main difference? Most important difference when you write a lost notice and a found notice?
We give
Ma'am,
the
in
full
the
information
found
and
notice, we can give some of the information in the notice so that means anybody who's that object will be can take it from somewhere, any desired place. And ma'am, in lost one, we have to tell the details like the thing which is lost of anybody.
So basically, she's trying to tell you in the lost one, we need to give details. But in the found one, we do
Yes,
not give the details. Why we don't give details, children?
Yes,
In
ma'am.
the found one? Tell me why. Why don't we give
Ma'am,
details?
because
Suppose-
then
Ma'am, everybody
anyone
will
can
owe that
come
it is
and say that
Okay.
it's mine. So that's
Yes,
the
supposing I
risky.
find a very expensive mobile and I tell everything about the mobile. That is this brand, this company, this model, so many apps. So anybody who's going to come and claim because they know everything about the mobile. So it is always better what to do.
Yes.
Whenever we are writing a found notice, we will not
To tell
disclose the
someone.
details. We always write that whoever it is can come and contact by giving the identification details. This is the sentence we generally write. Okay? Whoever has
Yes,
lost it can take it from me by doing what? By giving the desired
So,
identification
details.
details. Okay. Supposing a watch is lost, you have lost your watch. Okay, children? And somebody has posted a notice on the school board that I have found a watch. And they're telling you, come and give your identification details. Then I'll give you the watch. What details will you give? Tell me.
Ma'am,
Tell
brand
me.
name, color,
Okay, brand, color, very good. Model, any other specific thing if you have in
Phone
your
cover about. Phone cover.
yes, you can talk about that also. And for a mobile, what can we do?
ma'am, the place where we lost it,
Yes, we can mention that. Good. And what else can we give?
Model and the company.
Yes. And I hope you know now. Mobiles are easy. Like you may ask, okay, tell me any 2, 3 contact number, people who are there in your contact list, something like this. So, beta, got the main difference between lost and found?
Yes, ma'am.
We do not give the details in which notice?
found notice,
Found notice. And when we talk about the format, the heading is different. In place of lost, what will we write?
found,
Found.
Found.
I also talked about a very common grammatical error which students do when they write a found notice. Anyone remembers?
Ma'am, they can give all the details.
This part we have already done. Apart from this, a grammatical mistake. Generally, students write, yes, anyone?
Lost altogether. Means
No.
lost.
Generally, they write the founder will be suitably rewarded. Okay, I've seen many students, even in board copies, they write like this. You want to say that anyone who has found that will be suitably rewarded. So, what is the word they use? Founder. Is founder the correct word?
No, ma'am. No.
What does the word founder mean?
Who found or discovered that thing?
No, no. What does the word founder mean?
No
Have you
discovery.
heard about?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's like designation, like if someone is a founder of some.
Very good, very good. Supposing we talk about Wipro companies. Okay. So who started it? Founder. Founder is somebody who starts an organization or something. That person is known as a founder. So I would say it is Azim Premji. Tata Group, Ratanji Tata. So founder means जिसने बनाया, जिसने शुरू करा. So please do not write the word founder. Many students say, right, the founder will be suitably rewarded. Founder is not the correct word. What should we write?
The person finding it.
Yes, the person who finds it and returns it will be suitably rewarded. Okay, anyone who finds it, anything, but we will not use the word founder. So there are three major changes. The heading in place of lost becomes found. Details are not to be given. And the last thing, please do not, if you're announcing the reward, then please do not use the word founder. Be very careful about these three things when we're writing a found notice. Okay, lost and found, you said you have not done. I have just discussed. This I did with you right now. Guest lecture. Okay, let's write now. Change this name of the school, SI International School, Bareilly, today's date, and you have lost your wristwatch. What have you lost? Wristwatch in the playground in the recess. Wristwatch, playground, recess time. Please write a notice, post on the groups. The name of the school, your own school, SR, date. What have you lost?
Wristwatch.
Wristwatch. When did you lose it?
Recess time.
And where did you lose it?
School playground.
Yes. Write quickly, post in the group. Let me see. Let's find. who- Yes, Bache?
From those who have done what posted,
You've done lost and found both.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is nice if you have done. Yes, other students? How many of you have done? Raise your hands. Let me see the participants. Anand has done. Pranjal has done. Anushri has done. Okay, so we'll do one thing. This lost and found will take up some other day. Matlab writing part we can take up some other day. Let's do this today. I'm changing this, okay? Your own school, today's date. And let's plan what? Let's have a seminar. Okay, we have a seminar. The topic is pollution, air pollution. Listen carefully. Name the school, your today's date, and you have a seminar. The guest lecture will be given by, yes, whom do you want to give the guest lecture? The district magistrate Bareilly. You can take any name, Mr. XYZ, whatever. His designation is he is a district magistrate Bareilly. Rest everything you write yourself. Duration, date, time, instructions, who can attend, who cannot attend. Take the details again. The name of the school will be our school, today's date. And here it will be a guest lecture by Mr. ABC, this Honorable District Magistrate Bareilly. We will use the word honorable. And then you will start writing. What is the subject of the seminar?
Air pollution.
Okay. So the district magistrate Bareilly is there to motivate people not to pollute the environment. So now everybody can do this. This no one has done. Start writing, post in the group. Let's see whose notice is the one which does not have a single. Let's see. And the box also has to be made limit not more than 50 words. Yes, beta. I hope you're writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Very good, beta. Once you finish and you're posting, let me know. All of you, please write, beta. Just being in the meeting doesn't make any sense. This is writing class.
On air pollution.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, guest lecture
By Mr. What do you want to? Mr. ABC? Honorable District Magistrate Bareilly. DM Bareilly. You can simply write Honorable DM Bareilly.
Okay.
No need to name also. You can simply write guest lecture by Honorable DM Bareilly. D and M have to be in capital. If you want to write in short, otherwise write District Magistrate. No need to write the name here. Take care of the word limit, bachas. It should not be more than 50 words at any cost. Whoever finishes, please let me know before you post on the group.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, post on the group. Let me check. Have you made a box, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Then post on the group.
I'm done.
Keep posting. I'm on the group only. I'm checking. Let's see one by one. Okay. Eleventh biology. Nobody has posted as of now. What happened? Bio students wake up. PCM Kshitij has posted. Only Kshitij. Let me read. SI International School, Bareilly, notice 25th June, Honorable DM Bareilly. All the students of the school are informed that there will be a guest lecture on pollution by our ARE or OUR? Mr. ABC on the coming Monday, that is 29 June. Good. School ground. Attendance of all the students is compulsory. For more information, contact the school administration. Excellent. Very well done, beta. Very well done. Very good effort, Chitij. What about others? Okay, let me go to the other groups. PCM,
Posted
I
on
found-
commerce.
11th Commerce. Anant has posted. Let's read. Who has posted? No. Let us go to the Commerce group. Yes, Anant, let's read. Box is made very good. SI International School, Bareilly. Notice 17 June, guest lecture by District Magistrate. All students of class 11th and 12th are informed that there will be a guest lecture on pollution by Honorable DM Bareilly on 20th June in school auditorium from 11 a.m. to 12 a.m. Attendance of both classes is compulsory. For more information, contact the Anderson Vikram School Captain. Excellent, Anant. Wonderfully written. Very good. See how quickly they have written. Let's go back and check 11th biology. Zeba has posted. Notice air pollution. All the students of class 10th and 12th are informed that there will be a seminar, air pollution by Honorable District Magistrate on the coming Monday, 24th June in the school auditorium from 11:30 to 12:30. Attendance of class 10th and 12th students is compulsory. For more information, contact the undersigned Zeba School Captain. Very good, Zeba. Excellent efforts. Okay, let me write comments. So biology, I got 1. Commerce, I got 1. Humanities, Anushri has posted. Let's see, SI International School. Anushri, comma after June, beta, not after 20XX. Change that, put the comma after June.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have posted on bio group.
Okay, beta, I'll check after this. Comma is always put after the month. So cut that comma, put it there. Guest lecture by Honorable District Magistrate. Okay, the spelling of magistrate that we'll see later. All the students of class 12 are informed that there will be lecture on air pollution by renowned Honorable DM Mr. ABC on the coming Monday in the school auditorium from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Attendance of class 12 students is compulsory, not are compulsory, is compulsory. For more details, cut this to can contact contact the coordinator. Okay. Okay, fine. Excellent. She's tried to make it a little different. Very good, Anushri. You are trying very nicely these days. Very nice. Okay, we'll go back to 11th biology group. Anadi has posted June guest lecture by Honorable DM Bareilly. Students of class 11th and 12th are informed that there will be a guest lecture on air pollution by Honorable DM on the coming Saturday, that is 19 June, in the school auditorium from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. Attendance of class 11th and 12th students is compulsory. For more information, contact the undersigned Anadi School Captain. Excellent, bacha. Okay. Anyone else who has posted? Yes. Those students who finished, do this.
Ma'am,
There is
ma'am, there is some network issues, so I am joining again.
Okay. Beta, you move on to the next one and listen. There is a flood. Okay. Flood in Assam. Same name of your school will remain the same. There is a flood. So you have to make appeal for donations. Again, as a head boy or the head girl. Anjali has posted on the humanities group. Let us read what Anjali has written. SI International School, Bareilly, 17 June, guest lecture by Honorable District Magistrate. Beta, make D capital for district and M capital for magistrate.
Okay, ma'am.
District magistrate. Fine pollution is a big environmental problem. So as to make aware about it, there will be a guest lecture on air pollution by Honorable District Magistrate. All students of class 11th and 12th are requested to be present on 19 June 2021 in the school auditorium at 10:30 a.m. For more information, contact the undersigned. Excellent. Just two things, very small things. Anjali, school captain. The undersigned. It is always written as the undersigned. And district D capital and M capital. Excellent. Okay. Let me see who else is there who has posted. 11th commerce, somebody has posted. Pranjal has posted. Let me read. Let me even forward them to you. Anant and Pranjal, whatever he has written in the commerce group, I'm forwarding it. Children, please read. You should always read what others write. It really helps you. See, I posted. Read, I'll post the others also. I was reading what he has posted. 11 June guest lecture. All the students of class 11th. Okay. There will be a guest lecture on air pollution. Coming Friday. That is 18th June in the school auditorium. Attendance of all the students of class 11 is compulsory. For more information, contact the undersigned. Excellent. This is Yash, right? What name, beta? Whose is this? 853 PCM group. The last three numbers. Yash only, no? Very well done, Yash. Very good. Okay, let's do it quickly. So we'll go back and check on the bio group if there's somebody. 11 biology. Anadi, we have already checked. 11 humanities. Anjali has already written. Pranjal has written. Let's read for Pranjal. Guest lecture by district magistrate, all students of class 12th. Okay. Guest lecture on 22nd June. School auditorium. Attendance of class 12 students is compulsory. For more information, contact the undersigned. Very good, Pranjal. Very well written. Good. Anyone whose part is not checked? Let me forward what they have written to other groups also. I'm forwarding what they have written. Anjali and Anushri from the humanities group to other groups. Read, see what they have written. Now I'm forwarding Pranjal's